All right, this is a little trick that I learned from an old timer. If you have a cigar that's starting to unravel on you, see, I don't know if you can make out right here, but yeah, right here. See right here, this part right here starting to unravel. Over here came undone here, came apart right here. But this was my fault. I put my phone down. I accidentally threw the phone on top of the cigar, man. But you know. But this is a little trick an old timer taught me. You get some chapstick and just carefully rub it on the area that's affected, just a little bit. Maybe like a little bit right here. Over here. Maybe over here too. Damn. This was my fault. Totally my fault. Alright, I got to put the camera down. Alright, so as you can see right here, I glued it all down with that chapstick. The chapstick, I forgot what that chemical is called, man, but it has something in it that's something similar to an adhesive. And if your cigar comes unraveled, just pour some on there. This is I happen to have this one here, which is spearmint, but it doesn't affect the taste of the cigar whatsoever. If you can get the one that's just the black one that has no taste to it, even better. But it doesn't affect the flavor anyways. I've used this a number of times in the past. Again, this was my fault. I threw my phone down by accident and it landed on my luck. It landed right on top of the damn cigar, so it kind of smashed it. But I should be able to smoke it all at least halfway down. But again, this is a little trick that an old timer taught me. He says just carry a little stick of chapstick and you're good if you ever have unraveling. You can also use it for the back here too. Alright, so there you go. A quick fix with chapstick.